Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to set up roles and permissions on Discord. It's pretty simple, it's not really that difficult. So if you have a server and you have like a whole bunch of members, for example this server, these are what roles are. For example, like this guy's, you see top dogs, OGs, these are roles, and it's pretty easy to set them up. First you need to like custom and manually set them up, and then you gotta just put them out so people can claim that. Though that's an option too. Besides that, if you're on your server, you can just go to something like this, and okay, I just clicked on server boost, and you can just go to server settings and click on something like hold on, yeah, members and roles. So you just create a role right here, and then have every member, each and every member, be designated with that particular role. In default permissions, you can also give permissions to your members, and then clear them off if you don't need for per se permission for a member to have. And that is pretty easy. That's how you do it, guys. And if you got any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. Until then, I will talk to you in the next video.